Welcome to this tutorial on when to use Uniswap V3, a comprehensive guide to navigating the popular decentralized exchange protocol. Uniswap V3 offers a range of features and benefits that make it an attractive option for traders and liquidity providers alike. To start, it is essential to understand the key concepts that underpin Uniswap V3. The protocol is designed to provide a highly efficient and flexible trading experience, with features such as concentrated liquidity and multiple fee tiers. Concentrated liquidity allows liquidity providers to allocate their capital more efficiently, while multiple fee tiers provide traders with more options for managing their risk and costs. When deciding whether to use Uniswap V3, consider the specific needs and goals of your trading strategy. If you are a trader looking to execute large orders, Uniswap V3 may be an attractive option due to its ability to handle high-volume trades with minimal slippage. Additionally, the protocol's flexible fee structure allows traders to choose the fee tier that best suits their needs, providing more control over trading costs. For liquidity providers, Uniswap V3 offers a range of benefits, including the ability to allocate capital more efficiently and earn higher yields. By concentrating liquidity around specific price ranges, liquidity providers can increase their potential earnings and reduce their exposure to unnecessary risk. In terms of best practices, it is crucial to carefully evaluate the market conditions and trading activity before using Uniswap V3. This includes assessing the current liquidity and trading volume, as well as the overall market volatility. By doing so, traders and liquidity providers can make more informed decisions and optimize their use of the protocol. To illustrate the benefits of Uniswap V3, consider a practical example. Suppose a trader wants to execute a large order for a relatively illiquid token. By using Uniswap V3, the trader can take advantage of the protocol's concentrated liquidity feature to minimize slippage and execute the order at a more favorable price. Similarly, a liquidity provider can use Uniswap V3 to allocate capital more efficiently and earn higher yields, while also reducing their exposure to unnecessary risk. In conclusion, Uniswap V3 is a powerful tool for traders and liquidity providers, offering a range of features and benefits that can help optimize trading strategies and improve outcomes. By understanding the key concepts and best practices outlined in this tutorial, users can make more informed decisions and get the most out of the protocol. Whether you are a seasoned trader or just starting out, Uniswap V3 is definitely worth considering as part of your overall trading strategy.